Hi. Welcome to my channel Artist at Work 53. Please, like, subscribe so I can make more videos just like this. In this video, I will show you how to paint a tree in 5 minutes real time. I have used 5 colors and 2 brushes. Chrome yellow, emerald green, ultramarine blue, Van Dyke brown and Payne's gray. Brushes, I have used mop brush number 2, and a rigger brush number 1. So let's dive in. Here I am using the wet on dry technique and putting random blobs in the shape of tree leaves, just random blobs of chrome yellow where I think there is foliage. And then I introduce some emerald green over the blobs of chrome yellow paint. And now I paint a little with ultramarine blue to blend in with the yellow and the emerald green. This will give a tonal effect to the foliage of the tree. Only ultramarine blobs at the bottom of the tree. Some more and I am done with the foliage. I will let it mingle in together when it is wet on wet to give different tones in the foliage. I'm painting in the tree trunk with Van Dyke brown and Payne's gray, very simple strokes with broken lines. For branches, and that's the bigger part of the trunk where I've put in little water. And I will remove some afterwards. So it'll give some tones on the tree trunk, and I add some more branches. This is real-time video, so I think it took me around less than 5 minutes to paint this whole beautiful tree. Hope you liked this video and I will show you more videos painting trees easy and fast like this. Branches. And we are done painting a tree in less than 5 minutes. Thank you. Now, a little bit of ground to anchor the tree, and we are all set. Thank you very much. If you have liked and enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe so I can bring some more videos for you. I enjoy making these videos. Thank you.